Do you think you're too old to rebound? Think again. I'm 65, about to be 66 in October. I've been rebounding for 2 years. Today I'm using the BCAN Soft Land Rebounder. Have about 10 steps in 10 minutes. I want to show you if you're a beginner, if you're want to try this with me, grab your rebounder. If you don't have a rebounder, this is a great one to get. I'll tell you a little bit more about it as we get going. Let's go. Health bounce. Push down. Barely lifting off the mat with the heels. Push down. Soft knees. Engage the core, relax the shoulders. This is your health bounce. Comes with a free bar. Now, second step, heel lifts, left and right, getting that lymphatic system moving. Yep. Very low impact today. Very simple and fun. Working on circulation, supporting that lymphatic system. That's right, you don't have to move too fast. And step touch. You're barely holding on. You don't want to do this. Barely hold on. It's sturdy though. You could if you need to. Step touch. And march. On my feet. Shoes, without shoes, grippy socks, whatever you want. All right, just relax a minute. The next one is going to be heel digs. Very easy. Push down and dig the heel forward, left and right. Step by step, nice and slow. That's the way we like to go. One of the things I love about the BCAN, very easy to put together. Fully assembled elastic cords. Yeah. My husband put it together. Took him about an hour. And heels to the corner. This is called a T-bar. Gives you a little extra support if you need it, like I said. Build up your confidence. And front again. Now, we're going to step up and back. Up and back. Lead with the left. Do about 8. And switch to the other side. Yeah, give me that smile. And you switch again. Yeah. And the other side. Good. Finish with the last one. You do 8 and then 4 and 4. All right. A little bit of wide stance here. And shift side to side. Pushing down. Yeah. Working on joint mobility. Very low impact, like I said. All right, now we're going to go out and in. My feet are flat. Using the whole foot. Other side. That's right, no jumping today. And tap backs. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and switch. Good. And one at a time now. Push back. Squeeze the glutes. When you go back, you want to squeeze the glute. I see a little butterfly outside. That's why I keep looking over there. Good. Let's do a couple more. March in place. And we're going to do knees up. Start with 5 minutes. Nope, you don't have to move too fast. And then reach. Go up to 10 minutes. And you can increase when you feel ready. And kick back, hamstring kick back. Squeeze and squeeze. Engage the core, remember. Tight. Brace it. Consistency. Feels so good to move. And let's walk. And we're going to go back to a health bounce. Yes. No comparison. You go at your pace. All right. And just kind of slow it down a little bit. Little baby bounce. Yes, feels so good to move. Getting that circulation going in your body. On the 40-inch Soft Land BCAN. Cleaning out those cells, right? Getting those toxins out. And I wanted to tell you, they do come with a little bit firmer. If you want to switch them out, and extra bungees. And like I said, it comes with the grippy socks, which is nice. If you feel like you might be slipping or something, you can wear the grippy socks. And that's it for today. And don't forget, I will put in the description all about this rebounder, and you can get 15% off with my code. All right. Thank you so much for joining me. We'll see you next time on Rebounding with Cheryl. Bye.